Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is a Dakota Brown metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige ambitex interior with a burl walnut trim, panorama sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 26,620 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.